Hey everyone, this is Ms. Miner with today's lesson on what is a common way to record division. Please make sure you set up your 3-column notes with your essential question, what you think your answer to your essential question is, and your example and pictures in your 3rd column. So make sure you pause the tape of what is a common way to record division. We did some of this before the Thanksgiving break, but we have to continue to practice it. All right. Do you remember what these stand for? Remember, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? That is what you need to keep in mind when you are doing division. You also need to make sure that you remember the D for does stands for divide. You are asking yourself, how many groups? Remember, M stands for multiplication. S is for subtract. C is compare. And remember, B is for bring down. So let's take a look at this one here. 82 divided by 5. Remember, you start with the first place value of 8. How many groups of 5 can you make out of 8? Well, if you think of the multiples of 5, you can create one group. That's your division part. Your next step is to multiply. 5 times 1 is the same as 5, so I'm going to record that here. Remember, your next step is subtract after McDonald's, or multiply. 8 subtract 5 leaves you with 3. Now you have to compare. Is 3 smaller than 5? Yes, it is, so you did a good job. Your next step is to bring down your next number, 32. Now you need to ask yourself, right back from the beginning, how many groups of 5 can you make out of our new number of 32? Counting by 5s, you know you can make 6. So you record your 6 above the 2. 6 times 5 is the same as 30. Then you need to make sure that you subtract. 32 subtract 30 leaves you with 2. Compare. Is 2 smaller than 5? Yes, it is. So we did a good job. Do we have any number to bring down? No, so we're all done. So our correct quotient is 16, remainder 2. All right, our next problem is 76 divided by 4. How many groups of 7 can we make out of 4? We can make 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 subtract 4, which is our next step, leaves us with 3. Is 3 smaller than 4? Yep. Bring down your 6. How many groups of 4 can you make out of 6? You can make 9 groups. 9 times 4 is 36. Subtract leaves us with 0. So we don't have a remainder. Is 0 less than 4? Yes, it is. There's nothing left to bring down. So our quotient is 19. We can check with the inverse property. Remember, the inverse property of division is multiplication. So let's take our 19, our quotient, and multiply it by the divisor of 4. Oops. Sorry about that. 19 times 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Regroup. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 more is 7. Does it check out? Yes, it does. So we did a good job. All right, I would like for you to try 93 divided by 4, 37 divided by 2. Make sure you pause the tape and write that down in your 3rd column. And also, I would like for you to try 65 divided by 9 and 89 divided by 2. Some of them will have remainders, some of them will not. So make sure you have those 4 problems copied down and solve them for tomorrow. Use your does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers. Make sure you do divide, multiply, subtract, compare, and bring down. Once you get done with one number, you continue and do the cycle again. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.